With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, a heavy uniform chain lies on uniform table top. If the coefficient of friction between the chain and the table is 0.5, maximum percentage of the chain that hang over one edge of the table. So if you see here, let's say this is the table, and on this table a chain is kept like this. So we want the maximum percentage that can hang from one edge like this. So we want the percentage of this. So if you see here, the friction coefficient is given, it is 0.5. So let's say the hanging part is having length x and this part is having length x minus L. It is this, right? So if I write down the force equation, so if you see the net force on this chain along the chain should be 0. So let me write down F net along the chain should be 0, right? So if you see here, the net force on this chain which is kept on the table, it is mass per unit length into G, normal reaction. And what can be the maximum friction force here that could act? And here the weight will be acting along the chain, and it is mass per unit length into G. So here the limiting friction will act. So since we want the maximum percentage, right? So if I write down the friction force, limiting friction force, it is mu times of N, and you couldn't see that this N is equals to this. So you can, so let me write down this friction coefficient as N. So it is N times the normal reaction, that is this. So to not to fall out of this table, this force should be less than or equals to the limiting friction, like this, right? Along the chain we are seeing, along the chain. So we'll write down X, it should be less than N. So you can just put the value of the friction coefficient, it is 0.5, that is half. So let me write down it is half and half. So it is half. So we'll just solve this. It is mu g will get cancelled out. And this is 1 by 2, so it will be 2x would be less than equals to this. So 3x would be this. So the length should be less than or equals to L by 3, right? And we want the percentage, so we'll write down the percentage is equals to L by 3 into 100 by L. That is 100 by 3. Now you can just see for the answer, it is 33.3, so it is B. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.